Hi, welcome to the news summary from the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the top stories trending in northern Nigeria. Fresh controversy has erupted in the ongoing general court-martial trial of 36 Nigerian military personnel accused of plotting to overthrow the administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, following allegation that the tribunal may have prejudged the case before hearing any evidence. The accused officers and soldiers are facing 25 counts bordering on conspiracy, mutiny, and failure to suppress mutiny under the Armed Forces Act. They were allegedly involved in a conspiracy spanning between January 2022 and November 2025 across Abuja, Kaduna, and Enugu states. Tension across during proceeding after the president of the General Court-Martial, Air Vice Marshal H.I. Alhaji, reportedly started in a ruling on preliminary objections that a prima facie case had been established against the defendant. Defense lawyers immediately challenged the remark, arguing that no witness had testified and no evidence had been presented at the time the statement was made. According to members of the defense team, the comments created the impressions that the tribunal had already formed an opinion on the merits of the case before the commencement of trial. Defendants subsequently demanded the court-martial panel recuse itself from the further proceeding, citing concern over fairness and impartiality. The objection triggered heated legal argument within the courtroom. Fresh tension as Emir of Argungu Alhaji Muhammad Samaila Mira called on his subjects to legally acquire weapons to protect their communities against persistent attack by bandits. The Emir of Argungu Alhaji Muhammad Samaila Mira has urged his subjects to legally acquire weapons to defend their communities against bandit attack, saying the security crisis is too overwhelming for security agencies alone. The federal government has flagged off the reconstruction and dualization of the Gombe-Biu Highway in a 1.245 trillion naira project aimed to improve transportations in the northeast. The ceremony took place on Friday in Gombe State with Muhammadu Inuwa Yahya, Governor of Gombe State, and David Umahi, Minister of Works representing Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President of Nigeria. The 125-kilometer road, later extended to 139 kilometers, will be executed by high-tech construction company using rigid pavement technology. Ahmed Uthman Mohamed, son-in-law to Katsina State Governor under EFCC probe over alleged fraud failure to refund 455 million naira after 10 days grace period. According to the source, the young man allegedly approached businessmen claiming he had secured a $300 million contract to provide forex for 2026 Hajj operation in the Katsina State government. The Borno State Youth Alliance has announced the release of women and children from Goshi who were reportedly held in captivity, describing the development as a major breakthrough resulting from sustained advocacy and human engagement. In a statement signed by its president Samaila Ibrahim Kaigama, said the release process began on June 6 following a series of communication, negotiations, and interventions carried out by the organization. According to the group, it had earlier received assurance that most, if not all, of the affected women and children will regain freedom. A former secretary to the federal government, Babachir David Lowell, said African Democratic Congress stands no chance of winning the 2027 presidential election unless it replaces its presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar. Now from the international scene, A doctor from the United States who fell ill with Ebola while working in the Democratic Republic of Congo has recovered after more than 2 weeks of treatment in Germany. According to the hospital that admitted him, the Charité Public Hospital in Berlin said the man, identified in media reports as 39-year-old Peter Stafford, was in good health and cleared to leave quarantine on Sunday. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.